Alright students, let's dive into one of the cornerstone theories of leadership styles, Tannenbaum and Schmidt's management continuum. Now picture this, you are at the helm of a team and you are faced with the eternal question, how much control should you keep and how much should you give away? Well, Tannenbaum and Schmidt have a few insights on that. So imagine a sliding scale of control ranging from tell all the way to empower and even abdicate. Let's break it down, shall we? Number 1, tell. This is where you keep all the control and simply dictate what needs to be done. Paint the room pink, you say, and that's that. Quick and easy, but not exactly warm and fuzzy for the folks on the receiving end. 2, sell. Similar to tell, but with a bit of a twist. Here you explain not just what needs to be done, but also why we are painting the room pink, because it's been proven to be calming. You might say it's a bit more motivational, but still pretty top-down. 3, consult. Now we are getting somewhere. Instead of just telling or selling, you invite input from your team. What do you think about painting the room pink? Any concerns? This takes more time and carries the risk of pushback, but it can lead to better quality decisions. 4, share. Here's where things get interesting. You sit down with your team and make the decision together. What color should we paint the room? You ask. You've still got some control, but you're sharing it with your team. It's time-consuming, but highly motivational. 5, delegate. Now we're talking. You hand over the reins and say, you decide what color to paint the room. I trust you. You're still monitoring the process, but you've relinquished control over the decision itself. It's efficient, motivational, and can lead to better quality outcomes. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about empowerment and abdication. Empowerment. You give your team full autonomy over the decision, but you're still there to offer support if needed. Paint the room however you like. I trust your judgment, but if you run into any issues, I'm here to help. It's a step beyond delegation with even more trust placed in your team. Abdication. Now, this one's a bit tricky. You essentially wash your hands of the decision and say, do whatever you want. I don't care. It's risky because you're not monitoring or offering support, and it can lead to problems down the line. So where do we land on this management continuum? Well, each style has its pros and cons, but if I had to pick one, I'd go with delegation. It strikes a balance between efficiency, motivation, and quality, without the risks associated with empowerment or abdication. But here's the thing, different situations call for different styles. We'll get into that later. For now, just remember it's all about finding the right balance between control and autonomy, and knowing when to step back and let your team shine.